Methods of acquiring knowledge. Introduction. A well-developed, reliable body of knowledge is foundation of any profession. So for any profession, we need some basic knowledge. Most sought after knowledge can be acquired from highly structured as well as loosely arranged process or methods. So various methods we can acquire knowledge under the structured methods or unstructured methods. Coming to the methods of acquiring knowledge in unstructured method, structured method. So tradition, we know whatever the traditional practices, whatever we are having and we are doing, from that we will be acquiring knowledge. Authority, so if you are having certain power, so we will be acquiring the knowledge. So intuition from unknown things and your experience, so whatever your experience you are having, any prior experience, you will be acquiring some knowledge. And trial and error, even if you something, if you are not knowing, so you'll be doing something as a trial. Okay, so after the trial you will be knowing whether it's effective or not effective. From that you will be acquiring knowledge. And structured methods, inductive reasoning, deductive reasoning, assembled information, and in problem solving, scientific methods and research. Unstructured method. So tradition nursing knowledge is learned from books, journals, and from mouth and from our this old age people, and whatever the traditional practices we are following, from that by observing we will be acquiring knowledge. Authority, the other authorities, so people with a specialized expertise people, the people those are expertise, they will be having a high length of experience. From their relative position, they will be having a sound source of knowledge. From that, we will be acquiring the knowledge. And intuition, acquiring of information through sixth sense, without conscious thinking. So here, by using our sense without consciously thinking, we will be acquiring knowledge. Then experience. Nurses and midwives base their practice in greater own experience. So we will be, our experience will be in a way, so plenty of experience we'll be having from different sources. From there we will be acquiring the knowledge. And trial and error. Trial and error, alternatives are tried successfully. So we will be doing so many things. So if something has done in a successful manner, the same thing we will be practicing. In day-to-day life, everybody uses some techniques, some problem solving techniques, so many things we will be practicing. So whatever the things we are practicing, if it succeeds, we will be started to practice it. Coming to the structured methods. Inductive reasoning is the process of developing generalization from specific observation. So we are doing something and we are observing that technique is effective, so we will bring into the generalization. That is the generalization. So if you are doing a study, if you are seeing the patient with the pneumonia, you are giving spirometry exercise and you are finding it succeeded, the spirometry exercise is very much effective to reduce the breathing pattern and it's increasing thoracic cavity. So we will be started generalizing the finding. That is the inductive reasoning. And the deductive reasoning is the process of developing specific prediction from general principles. So generally we are practicing. So generally we will be having some practices. From the general practices we are getting some specific prediction. So whatever the things we are practicing generally. So if the patient is going to the collapse, so immediate what we will respond. So what are the assessment we will do before starting the CPR. So that is the generalized principles. From that we will be getting some specific prediction. That is the deductive reasoning. Then assembled information. Assembled information. So if you are in a decision maker in a critical situation, you will be getting some problem. So what we will do first, we will be assembling the information from various personnel and we will be systematically arrange it and find the solution. So these are structured methods. Problem solving, Gnosis is problem solving process, particular problem, find the particular intervention. So we will be having, while solving the problem, we will be getting so many things, alternatives. So from that alternative, which one will be higher thing which can be resolved easily, we will be selecting certain alternative. Then scientific methods. Scientific methods is a sophisticated method of acquiring knowledge. So many research, investigation or considered or evidence-based practice. We will be applying the scientific methods. Thank you.